Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that a stunning underglow can completely transform your car from ordinary to jaw-droppingly attention-grabbing at night? If you're ready to give your ride that next-level street-style vibe, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top underglow light kits for cars available on Amazon, comparing their features, performance, and value so you can see which one truly shines brightest for your vehicle. All the links are in the description, so check them out as we go. Starting off with number 6, the OPT7 Aura Pro Underglow LED Lights Kit is perfect for enthusiasts who value durability and sleek aesthetics. This kit includes 4 rigid aluminum bars, 2 48-inch and 2 36-inch, that resist sagging and provide a smooth, uniform, neon-like glow, unlike cheaper LED strips that show individual dots. With IP67 waterproofing, it holds up well against rain and dust, and the dual control setup via the OPT7 Glow app or remote allows full customization of colors, brightness, speed, and dynamic lighting modes, including a music sync feature. Real-world users highlight the slightly involved installation due to rigid bars, but once in place, the lights deliver a clean, professional look that works great for daily drives, meetups, or shows. Compared to more budget-friendly flexible strips, Aura Pro stands out for reliability and polished appearance, though it lacks some of the flashier RGB-IC effects found in kits like ETINAS or Glowlendra. If you prioritize a dependable, neon-like glow and don't mind a bit of DIY, this is a solid choice. Number 5. The ETINAS Dream Color Chasing StripLights Kit takes a different approach, with 6 flexible LED strips packing 300 LEDs and over 120 dynamic patterns, including chasing, skipping, and dancing modes. Controlled via Bluetooth and the LED Hue app, it offers bright, vivid colors and a lively music sync feature. Its flexible design adapts to most chassis shapes, making installation easier than rigid bar kits. But adhesion can be tricky, and long-term durability under harsh conditions may require occasional adjustments. Compared with the Aura Pro, ETINAS emphasizes flashy effects and pattern variety over structural robustness, making it ideal for those seeking bold, eye-catching nighttime flair without spending top dollar. Number 4. The Govee Underglow Car Lights offers 4 RGB-IC strips supporting 16 million colors and 10 scene modes controlled via the Govee Home app. Its flexible strips make installation easy across SUVs, trucks, and cars, and the LED animations deliver smooth, neon-like effects with music sync capabilities. Compared to Aura Pro, Govee sacrifices some premium durability but gains versatility, dynamic color transitions, and a fun aesthetic perfect for night drives and car meetups. Number 3. Nilight's 4-piece Car Underglow Kit comes with 252 LEDs, 8 static colors, fading and jump modes, plus sound-active music sync functionality. Flexible and weather-resistant with IP68 protection, it's easy to install with adhesive, clips, and optional hardwiring. It offers vibrant visuals at a very reasonable price, although the glow may appear slightly less uniform than rigid bar systems. Compared to ETINAS, Nilight balances affordability and customization without overwhelming you with patterns, making it a strong contender for casual modders. Number 2. The Glowlendra RGB-IC Smart LED Kit ups the customization with 16 million colors, DIY modes, and sound-active effects. Flexible, IP67 rated strips are easy to install and adapt to varied underbodies. Compared to Nilight or Govee, Glowlendra excels in pattern variety and color richness, but slightly compromises on long-term ruggedness and perfectly uniform neon-style glow, making it a great mid-range option for creative drivers focused on nightlife flair. Finally, number 1. The CAPETRONIX Underglow Kit stands out with 16 million RGB colors, 29 preset modes, music sync, and DIY options, all in a flexible IP68 rated, easy-to-install strip system. With high-intensity SMD 5050 LEDs, it produces bright, uniform illumination and offers versatile control through app or remote. Compared to other kits, it strikes a perfect balance between flashy customization, like Glowlendra or ETINAS, and practical durability, making it ideal for both casual and serious mod enthusiasts who want an impressive, show-ready underglow without dealing with rigid bars. It may not be as structurally robust as the Aura Pro, but in terms of color variety, effects, and convenience, it arguably outshines many competitors. So there you have it, folks. From the rigid, premium feel of OPT7 Aura Pro to the flashy, pattern-rich ETINAS, the versatile Govee, the affordable Nilight, the dynamic Glowlendra, and the all-around CAPETRONIX, there's a perfect underglow kit for every type of driver and car mod enthusiast. Which one do you think would light up your ride best? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more car upgrade reviews. All the links are in the description, so check them out and bring your car's underbody to life.